Ideation has been here for like 20 years. It was Gerber's flagship event, and now since the acquisition of Gerber by Lectra, it's 18 months ago. So we are a larger company with a broader portfolio, larger customer base. So we decided to go on the road to be closer to our customers, coast to coast, and to Mexico as well. So this is how we decided to create this great roadshow of Ideation.
Tell me about Fabric.
Okay, so Fabric is a place where somebody who has a good idea for a sewn product can come and get that product made. But you don't just walk in and we do it all for you. We have to train people to understand the process in order for them to be able to manufacture clothing. So they become their own production manager. So they learn how to take their idea and get the pattern made, get it graded into sizes, get markers created, get it cut, get it printed, get it sewn, manage the whole production, and then we offer them no minimum manufacturing.
And how do you integrate with Lectra and some of the other companies that are here today?
Well, the way that we're able to actually help all these brands is using technology. We use technology, first of all, to make it more efficient and to make it more affordable to start a brand, but then to give them that specialness and that customization and personalization, we have a Cornette Presto printer that allows them to actually print custom, unique, on-demand pieces, and then the patterns are actually developed using Lectra's whole Gerber AccuMark system, and we have a Z1 cutter, so there's a CT cutter, so it's in a workflow that goes from the CAD software where we develop the patterns, embed the prints, print them in the Cornette, then it flows right into the Z1 cutter where it's automatically cut, and then we're sewing them as the orders come in.
So it sounds like you have a whole micro factory.
Exactly. I could have just said that. That would have been a lot simpler.
Emulous is a women's wear brand, sustainable, out of Charlotte, North Carolina. We manufacture in Arizona using the Cornette Presto and the AccuMark.
So Twine has developed a one-of-a-kind unique technology. We've developed a system that digitally dyes threads and yarns for the textile industry. Our system knows how to dye threads for knitting, sewing, and embroidery, and our system dyes polyester.
And from my understanding, you don't use any water.
We do not use any water, and the possibilities of digitally dyeing the thread means that you dye only what you need, so you're eliminating a lot of the waste. We know that there are huge quantities of threads that are being thrown away without being even used because of the MOQs, and Twines is eliminating all that.
We enable digital decoration on a global scale, and essentially our call it mission and vision is to revolutionize the fashion industry by bringing sustainability and by ordering what you need when you need it and manufacturing in kind.
And so tell me about that whole process. How does it integrate with Lectra? I mean, you've been a partner with Lectra and with Gerber for a long time. So how do your visions align with one another?
So I think it's very similar, right? That, you know, what they're enabling is what I would call high volume, short run manufacturing and near shore, onshore, which is near and dear to our heart. We have two core businesses. We have our DTG business, which is spot decoration on finished garments, which has just exploded in the last few years around print on demand, right? Everybody wants a unique piece and they want it tomorrow. Well, we've enabled that. And then on the cut and sew, or what I would call ready-to-wear side, and when I'm talking cut and sew, I'm talking about clothing as well as home fashion, soft goods for the home. We enable any image on just about any fabric on the planet to be printed, cut, and sewn in line, and Gerber's a component of that with robotic cutting.
Yeah, I'm taking a video.
Oh, video.
There you go. Work, work, work. Yes.